we're gonna cook a traditional Filipino food.
And what is that food that we're having today? What is describe to us what this fish is.
This fish, we call this Bangus in Filipino dialect. So first we will gonna combine the ingredients.
Okay, now what are these
Combine all
ingredients?
together. This is tomato. I cut it into cubes. We will combine this all together. Ginger, cut also into cubes. That and onions.
What is that? That's a red onion, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is that like a half of a red onion?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like into cubes also. You cut it into cubes.
Okay.
And after that, let's put salt. Salt first. Don't put too much because it's not gonna be good to taste if you put
And just to let our viewers know, this is a little different adventure video today. We've had some subscribers requesting some different foods, maybe some traditional Filipino foods that they're interested in, just something different than American style foods. So we thought we would honor that request today, and here we are. We hope that you enjoy this as much as we're going to. So just bear with us as we're finishing this up, and hope you enjoy this.
Then next is black pepper.
Okay.
We're gonna put this. Just put a little bit black pepper. Don't put too much. Just enough for the like that.
Just to taste.
Yeah.
And okay. Now what's our next ingredient?
Next is ginisa flavor seasoning mix. This is a seasonings from
It's a Filipino.
Yeah.
Go to a local Asian store and you can find something like this very similar.
Yes.
Look in the Filipino food section or Asian section.
Yeah. You can find only this in Filipino store. So I put also just enough for the.
Just a small amount.
Yeah. Small amount.
You don't want to overwhelm.
Like that.
Okay.
And mixed it all together to make it absorb the seasonings like that. But now I'm gonna put a little bit salt on the fish, so to have a little bit taste like that. So I cut it here over here because we're gonna put the ingredients inside of the belly of bangus.
This will be a stuffed. Now
Or
in my
MilkFish.
the way I pronounce it is Bangus, and I know that's
It's hard for you to.
that's the American accent.
Yeah,
I know all my Filipino friends are gonna hate me for saying that,
yeah,
but
that's
that's just I've not got it down yet, so bear with me.
now we will gonna put these ingredients to here inside the belly of the fish like that. Looks yummy. Can't wait to.
So we're going to put this in the oven. We have going to cover it with aluminum foil About how long do you think we're gonna
Just
bake this? Fish doesn't take that long to bake.
yeah,
I think we'll put it on like
30 minutes or what?
30 minutes at, I'm just gonna make a good guess at this because we don't have it, this is not all science or anything. It's just whatever we think it's gonna work. I would put it on 375 for maybe 30 minutes. And then just kind of check it because you don't want to over bake this. As long as the fish is completely baked through, it should be fine. And one little tip on when buying fish, the fish that have the really bright eyes are the best flavor. They're the freshest. If the eye is really cloudy, try to avoid it.
Is we will gonna wrap this with foil. So like this. Like that. Wrap it. It's ready to put on the oven. We will put this on the baking pan. Now I'm going to put this inside the oven. It's hot.
380 degrees, 375, whatever you think would be appropriate. I would guess about 30 minutes and it should be ready. Okay, it's time to remove the Bangus. Put it on 380 for about 45 minutes and it should be ready. So we're gonna test it right now.
Charan! Open the foil. And
Let's see what we have here.
perfect. Perfect.
You want to take a little bite? Take a little bite and tell us what it tastes like. Is it good? Good, huh? Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.
Bye.